Also, you would already know we will be discussing throughout this, we will be discussing some keyboard shortcuts as well. So you will already know that if I want to check this formula or where is it coming from, you press F2. So you press F2 and it will tell you the overall link. Where is it coming from? If there is anything that you think you do not know, then you can also write it in notebook or wherever, so that you can revise it later. Some other to know is that if I want to check that where is it coming from or where is it going, where is a particular cell going or where is it coming from, then you can trace dependence or precedent. So for example, if I want to check that this is a cell in my model, I want to check whether this cell is going somewhere or not. So how do we do this? So we go to formulas. We go to formulas. In formulas, you have two options: trace dependence and trace precedent. So we will go to dependence. So when I go to dependence, it tells me that this cell is going to this another cell. And if I want to remove it, I will again go to formulas and I will remove arrows. Now if I want to check if there is a precedent, so again trace precedent. It tells me that there is no precedent for this cell. Means the cell is hard coded, it is not coming in from anywhere. If I want to check precedent of this cell, it will tell me this cell is coming in from this range. And if I want to check dependent, it will tell me there is no dependent, it is not going forward anywhere. So these two functions are very important whenever you are cracking and decoding a model or looking into a model or making a model. You will need to check again and again, your mind need to check again and again where is a particular cell going or where is a particular cell coming from. So trace dependent and trace precedent, and shortcut is Alt M D dependent, Alt M D precedent, and Alt M AA removing arrows. So Alt M D, Alt M P, Alt M AA.